Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to change warehouse address on TikTok Shop. So if you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. So it's actually really simple. You just need to head over to seller-page.tiktok.com. Now this link will actually vary depending on the location that you're in, but since I'm in the Philippines, I have in here PH. So once you have head over to your TikTok Shop Seller Center, just scroll down on this left side bar right here until you can see this account health or this my account. So expand this and you can see in here the account settings. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this warehouse settings right here. So what you can do is you click on this warehouse settings, and then in here you should be able to see your pickup warehouse as well as return warehouse. What you can do is you can head over and click on this edit right here just beside the action. So click on this edit, and then this will open in here the warehouse address, and you can actually head over and then change it according to your liking. And this will actually done this as well on the return warehouse. Just head over and click on this edit option, and once you're done, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.